Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I'm your host, Vishakha Thakur. It's Monday, the day we bring you the latest updates from the deal street, a bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. We have collated more deals in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest development and benefit from the activities taking place in this space. But first, a quick look at the trends so far. As we are nearing the end of 2023, it's time to take stock of some mega deals this year. One such mega deal is that of OpenAI, the Sam Altman-led AI firm receiving $10 billion from Microsoft in January 2023. Inflection AI, the artificial intelligence firm, raised $1.3 billion from marquee investors, namely Microsoft, Reid Hoffman, Bill Gates, Eric Schmidt, and NVIDIA, at a whopping valuation of $4 billion. Anthropic, AI company, received $1.25 billion funding support from online retail giant Amazon. Towards the end of October, Anthropic added another $500 million to its kitty from search engine giant Google and $450 million from Spark Capital. Other names to have raised funds in 2023 includes Sandbox AQ, Adept AI, Hugging Face, Imbue, Character.ai, AlphaSense, Pony.ai, X.ai, D-Matrix, Together, Humane, Celestial AI, Type of Ace, Modular, and Writer Prime. Anthropic, OpenAI too received a top-up funding from existing investors. Clearly, AI dominated the deal street this year. The sole name challenging investor frenzy for an AI company was Tools for Humanity, a cryptocurrency firm raising $115 million from Blockchain Capital, General Atlantic, etc. at a valuation of $3 billion. After the breathtaking update on AI deals, it's a time to take return to our stated agenda, the deal this week. We begin with the deal struck by Bengaluru-based Sarvam AI, a startup in the generative artificial intelligence space, which has raised Series A funding of $41 million led by Lightspeed venture partners. The round also saw participation from Peak XV partners and Khosla Ventures. The startup plans to deploy the fresh proceeds to build a full stack for generative AI, ranging from research-led innovations in custom AI model training to an enterprise-grade platform for authoring and deployment. The next deal is with a difference. Iris Energy Limited has made a significant investment in its future, purchasing new T21 miners from Bitmain Technologies, Delaware Limited, for a total of $18.6 million. Now, this strategic acquisition is set to enhance the company's self-mining capacity to an impressive 8.3 exahashes per second. The deal includes a delayed payment plan that allows Iris Energy to defer a portion of the cost until May 30, 2024, while the miners are expected to be delivered in the first quarter of next year. The company is not only investing in hardware but also in infrastructure. It is currently expanding its chilled sites capabilities with an 80 megawatt extension to an existing data center, which is scheduled to be operational from Jan to second quarter of 2024. Next on the list, Polychain Capital and Hack VC led an $18 million Series A funding round for Babylon Chain, a protocol working on the Bitcoin staking, bridging the decentralized finance ecosystem with the Bitcoin blockchain. According to the December 7 announcement, the funds will be used to support the development of Babylon's Bitcoin staking protocol, which enables proof-of-stake networks to stake BTC, adding liquidity and security to emerging chains. Additional investors in the round included Framework Ventures, Polygon Ventures, Castle Island Ventures, OKX Ventures, Finality Capital, Breer Capital, Symbolic Capital, and IOSG Ventures. Moving on, the Copenhagen HQD VC Hardcore announced successful closure of 15 million euros of a new 20 million euros fund that will focus on investing in protocols and tokens. Protocols refer to technologies that allow for decentralized data sharing, and tokens refer to digital assets on a blockchain. The fund is deliberately small and unlike normal VC funds that take ownership stakes in the startups they back, Hardcore will have tokens earmarked for the fund when or if ever they get released. with investments ranging from $250,000 to $500,000. Hardcore will focus on protocols and tokens built on top of the infrastructure built on Bitcoin and Ethereum, the world's most popular blockchain network. The focus is on areas such as decentralized finance like trading protocols, entertainment protocols like gaming, Web3 social, as well as traditional software. Time to move on to the Bitcoin Ordinal project. Taproot Wizards, a Bitcoin-focused ordinals project, raised $7.5 million in seed funding to try and make Bitcoin magical again. The investment round was led by crypto-focused venture capital firm Standard Crypto, with contributions from Geometry, Collider Ventures, Starkware, UTXO Management, Bitcoin Frontier Fund, MasterKey, and Newman Capital, according to a post on Taproot Wizards' X account on Thursday. Now we shift to Jack Dorsey investment activity. Ocean, a decentralized Bitcoin mining pool, raised $6.2 million in its seed funding round, led by billionaire Jack Dorsey. The pool's non-custodial payout system directly disperses earnings to miners from block rewards, eliminating risks associated with traditional pools and ensuring miners are not unduly influenced. The seed funding is intended to introduce Ocean, marking the first step in decentralizing Bitcoin mining. And now it's time for the final deal of the show. Andreessen Horowitz has led $5 million seed funding round for Setter, a New York-based consumer application. Setter combines Web2 and Web3 to promote exclusive products and limited edition offerings, simplifying blockchain and cryptocurrency technology. The platform plans to partner with streetwear and sneaker brands, expanding into fashion, luxury items, and consumer collectibles. The seed funding round saw contributions from A16Z, Marcy Ventures partners, Superlayer 35 Ventures, and retired tennis icon Serena Williams. The diverse group of investors signifies a broad base of support for Setter's vision, reflecting a shared belief in the potential of Web3 to transform e-commerce. Well, that's all in this episode of Deal Corner. For more such updates, log on to our website www.reversetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.